Hello and welcome to Celoxis. In this video, we will understand how to create and use custom fields. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, log into your Celoxis account as an admin user. Click on your profile icon, then click on Admin. Next, you want to click on Custom Fields under the Settings drop-down. You can create and manage custom fields right here. Click on the Add button and choose the type of custom field you want to create. We are going to create a Single Select drop-down field. Click on Single Select from the list. This opens a new form containing the basic configuration of the custom field and the Attach to section. I'll add some sample data for now. Once done, in the Attach to section, choose the entity to which this field should be attached. For now, let's attach it to all types of projects and click on Save. There it is, we've just created a Single Select drop-down custom field attached to all projects. As this field has been attached to all projects, you can manage it for any given project. Just choose a project, and on the Overview page, you'll be able to see and change the value of this custom field effortlessly.
For more details, refer to our knowledge base. Thank you.